Hello friends, myself Devashish Dewan. Today I will discuss on energy efficiency in motors of IE1, IE2, IE3, IE4 and IE5 with case studies. So at first I will discuss on concept of IE1, IE2, IE3, IE4 and IE5, then meaning of IE, IEC with code, then efficiency comparison of different IE motors and the case study for energy saving and payback period. So let's start. In India, motor and motor driven systems are consumed about 69% of the total industrial electricity consumption. Other side, poor quality motor repair or rewinding can lead to a decrease of up to 4% in the motor efficiency. So good quality energy efficient motors are required to replace for the reduction of power consumption, which may save the fuel and immediate saving of the cost of the industry and also reduce CO2 emission. The new internationally standardized energy efficiency classes relate to three-phase asynchronous squirrel cage induction motor. The induction motors are classified on the basis of their efficiency levels as per the IEC 60034 Part 30 by 1 2014 and IS 12615 2011. Here the term IEC stands for the International Electrical Commission, a global standardization organization. As per this IEC code and IS code, on the basis of the efficiency levels, the induction motors are classified into 4 categories, which are IE1, IE2, IE3 and IE4. Here IE stands for the international efficiency and IE1 means standard efficiency, IE2 is high efficiency, IE3 is premium efficiency and IE4 is super premium efficiency. But the actual efficiency values are dependent on the motor's operating frequency, number of poles and rated output. Here the efficiency range of each motor shows that the efficiency of the next series is better than the previous series. If you go through this curve, efficiency versus output kilowatt, then you see that the efficiency of IE2 is better than IE1, IE3 is better than IE2 and IE4 is better than IE3. Now coming to IE5, the new IE5 efficiency class, which is only used for inverter fed motors, is designed to promote new engine technologies which can be visibly distinguished from established motors. The use of frequency converters for variable speed control can also save the energy. In old plants, about 90 to 95% installed motors are of IE1 or IE0 base, which are typically energy inefficient. The new Indian standard IS 12615 also stipulates that for motors to be classified as energy efficient, and these must meet at least IE2 efficiency value. Department of Industrial Policy and Promotions Quality Control Order SO 3207E necessitates all new motors that is imported or domestically produced to be minimum IE2 compliant in India. That means manufacturing of IE1 motor in India or imported from foreign country is prohibited. Now coming to the comparison chart of the IE1, IE2 and IE3 motor. Say at 5.5 kilowatt motor with 4 pole, you see that the efficiency is 84.7, where IE2 is 87.7 and IE3 is 89.6. The IE3 motor is almost 5% more efficient than IE1 motor. For your easy understanding, I have prepared a case study where energy saving and cost saving is shown. This is for IE1 motor and this is for IE3 motor. Say in an industry there are 50 numbers of motor whose output rating is 5.5 kilowatts, and these motors are running with 70% load, and this motor will run 313 days per annum and running hour per day is 20 hours. In the previous comparison chart, we see that the efficiency of IE1 for 4-pole motor is 84.7, whereas IE3 motor is 89.6. So the annual energy consumption for the IE1 motor is 14,22,727 kilowatt hour. How this figure is coming? The annual energy consumption is equal to the number of motor into output power rating by the efficiency of the motor, that means input power, into percentage loading into number of days into number of hours per day, that is 14,22,727 kilowatt hour. From the same type calculation, IE3 motor annual energy consumption is 13,44,922 kilowatt hour. So if we go through from IE1 to IE3 motor, then we can save the annual power saving is 77,805 kilowatt hour. So the annual energy saving is this minus this, that is 77,805 kilowatt hour, and the annual energy saving is this figure by IE1 energy consumption figure into 100%, that is 5.47%. And considering rupees 5.50 per kilowatt hour, and annual energy saving in money is 4,27,930. That means yearly we can save 4,27,930 rupees if we replace the IE1 motor to IE3 motor. Considering the each motor cost 13,471 plus 18% GST, then the cost of the 50 numbers of motor is 7,94,789. That means the payback period is 1.86 years, that is less than 2 years. So if we replace the IE1 motor to IE3 motor, then we can save a huge amount of energy, and the payback period is less than 2 years. So I think you understand well. If you like my video, then please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. Please like and share the video for knowledge enhancement. Thank you.